Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already have a place in my heart. So last time I tried to make popcorns in my house. The story was endless because for like a week I kept feeling the impact of what I did. It was by God's grace that my house didn't burn down that day, but it wasn't something I was happy for because it was something as simple as just putting the oil and putting the corn, the seed, and allowing it to pop. Then my whole story was different though. I don't know why, but what happened. And I told myself that I see this popcorn, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to take a step back, learn, maybe probably research more, and then come back and do it. Now, I'm just going to allow it to heat a little before adding my corn. So from the videos I watched on YouTube, they said you should allow your oil to heat for some minutes, maybe for some seconds, I don't know, but I'm just going to allow the oil heat a little. Okay, is it supposed to do that? Okay, it's supposed to be on a low heat though. It's supposed to be on a low heat. Okay. So I think I'm supposed to add my popcorns now. I don't know. I just hope this works out well. And I'm supposed to cover it, right? Okay. Okay. I'm supposed to shake it. I love it. Ooh, I think it's popping already. Finally. But I don't know if I'm supposed to like still shake it. Okay. A lot of things are going on there. Guess who just did it? Let me show you. I just popped some. I came out with burnt corns last time. Although I ate them with pride, Shabo. Not as satisfied as I am right now. Like, look up. I was even scared to even do a lot of quantity, but I just had to do this little one. Have you guys ever experienced this before? Have you tried doing something you felt was so simple, and then it turned out to be one of the most horrible things you've ever tried out? I don't know. That day, I had to open all the doors and all the windows so the bad air could go out, because you could literally choke if you come into my kitchen. Like, it was so smoky. I had smoke even going out to the sitting room. My neighbors were checking up on me to know if everything was okay. For what? Something as little as just popping a corn. I seriously wonder why I went through torture the first time, because if it's this easy to make, I should have almost burnt my house the first time. Or let's just say I used the wrong corn. Yummy. I did it.